This is good. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel and to my returning chat partners. I really appreciate you guys' support. Okay, my chat partners, so guys, I'm gonna go to the gym and I just want to bring you guys along. I hope you guys enjoy. So listen to my spirituals in the background. That's something I do in the mornings, is listen to gospel, get my mood right, have my time with God. I got my Fitbit charging. It's on 6%. So hopefully I can get it charged, get enough. If not, I'll just charge it in the car. I'll finish charging in the car anyway. Yeah, guys, so hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone has been having a good week, guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos with me, you know, just focusing on my fitness journey, wellness journey, self-care journey, weight loss journey, the whole nine. Just taking care of Dionne better overall, period. Perfect little curl. That's all I needed, and it wasn't in my hair 5 minutes, if that. So just wanted a little tuck to go in up there on top of my head. Yes. There we go. They look cute, don't it? You know, sweet, simple, cute. Let's go, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. We did do the class. We got there, we got there like maybe 3 minutes late. We got there 3 minutes late. However, that class was jam-packed, like full to the rim. We was able to find some spots. All the weights was gone for the most part. All the good areas, you know, to have room to actually work out. So I would say I did 80% of the workout. Some of the moves I didn't do because I didn't have weights or the proper weights and everything. And then I started getting a headache. They had like fans in there and I was near the fan. And like I said, we was like jumboed in there. So I would say I did bust a sweat. Then my Fitbit fell off. How did you feel about the class, baby?
Yeah, it was packed. Wasn't really focused because
we was like rushed and we got in there and then we couldn't find a proper space and we couldn't get all the materials that we needed for all of the equipment that we needed for the class. So, you know, we talked to the instructor after the class and she was like, it's best to get there like maybe, what, 15 minutes before the class starts?
Yeah.
So I was just telling my husband, another class that started after that one, we had did that one the other week and we really liked that class. So moving forward, we're going to pick the class that we did last week. That's going to be one of our main classes that we're going to do on a particular day because we like the class, we like the environment, we like the instructor, and the class isn't too full and it's enough room. And even though with that class, she knows how to, she watches everybody and she shows you the alternate ways or positions to do the certain moves and everything. So that's a class that we're going to do, and it's another day of the week for a class that we're going to do. I'm going to discuss with him about that class. And so with that being said, we've taken, how many classes have we taken?
Oh, like 7.
We took 7 classes. So out of the 7 classes, I'm going to go over the 2 of my favorite with him that I felt like I got the most out of and let him do the same. And then we're going to schedule our week as far as us planning, as far as us actually just going to the gym, doing classes, actually going to the gym, working out on the machines at the gym, actually working out at home, and then going to a trail and walking. This is good. Okay, guys, we went to Clean Juice and we got the Energy Boost. Is that the name of it, babe? The Energy Boost?
Yes, the Energy Boost.
The Energy Boost. It has beets, celery, oranges, apple, ginger, and carrots. And it's really, really good.
Really good.
Good,
really
healthy.
Good, really good, really good, really good.
Fresh. I'm glad we did get it on a little bit of ice. This one is good, but the other one, I think the last time we went to Clean Juice, we got extra beets. And it had more of a beet taste. This one is kind of sweet a little bit with the orange. What you think?
I do taste the orange. Oh, we didn't get the orange last time.
Yeah, it was a different one. It was the other one. It was the other beet one. It's two different beet ones. So we got the Energy Boost with the oranges and apples. So I think that's where the sweetness comes from.
We should make our own.
Yeah, we are going to continue to go back to making our own. You see how many carrots she used? Like, it was like 4 or 5 carrots on it and like a handful of celery. It was like about 5 celery stalks or whatever. So.
Yeah.
You want to taste it?
Much stuff on this. It's not.
Oh, what are you doing? That's good. Mine went for.